Kunin ulit natin yung second batch fertilizer. So, ito yung nakolek natin. Ito, pure BPR. Simula dito hanggang doon, BPR yan. Ito, rear, pure rear. Itong nandito, pababa. Ito ay Sussex. So, titingnan natin. Ito ay second batch na, second batch. So, ito na yung ating second batch. Today yan, today. Second batch na yan. Dami.